In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the headlights on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Using a 7mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt for the front fender liner. One more on the bottom of the bumper. Pull down, and we'll remove the T27. Pull this shield back, and we have access to the bolt for the side of the headlight. Remove the 10mm bolt for the side of the headlight. Do the same thing on the other side. Moving on to the driver's side, there should be one more 10mm bolt right here. You should have plenty of space to reach your hand up in there and get a wrench. Remove that bolt if you have it. Remove the two 10mm bolts on the top of the headlight. Remove the connectors on the back of the headlight. Push down on the lock tab on the top and pull the connector back. This is the lock tab. There's a tab on my thumb. Push on that tab and pull straight back. Remove the connector. There should be a tab right there. Ours is broken. Pull up and remove the headlight. Install the headlight into place. Install the top bolts. Install the connectors onto the headlight. Be sure that they clip on. Lift up and remove the headlight. Remove the connectors. Push on the tab and pull back. On the side of this one, there should be a tab. Push on that tab if you have it and pull back. Remove the headlight. Install the connectors to the new headlight. Push, make sure they lock on. Install the headlight into the vehicle. Make sure that this tab is in place. Install the bolts. Working on the passenger side, we're going to install the bolt for the side of the headlight. Install the screw by hand and snug it down. Moving on to the driver's side, we're going to install our screw by hand. Install the bolt by hand and then snug it down. Install the splash shield up into the front bumper. Pull the fender liner down. Tuck it inside of the bumper. Install the T27 bolt. Install the bolt on the bottom. Snug down all the bolts. Repeat the same process on the other side.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. you can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.